The golden age of streamlined streetcars has returned to San Francisco's streets thanks to Market Street Railway's F&E lines. Please enjoy these beauties as they glide down the street. These PCC cars have been running in San Francisco since the 1990s, a few originally from the city, with most hailing from either Philadelphia or Minneapolis via Newark, New Jersey. Car 1072 honoring Mexico City's PCC cars meets Car 1053 honoring Brooklyn, New York. This car has just returned from a complete renovation at Brookville and is out completing its burn-in testing. Car 1072 turns off Stewart Street to a short private right-of-way called Don Chi Way in front of the Market Street Railway Museum. We are now headed out to Fisherman's Wharf along the Embarcadero on a nice sunny day. Alcatraz Island is in view. Now at the wharf we see a lineup of streetcars approaching. First in line is a PCC car honoring Chicago, followed by a W-class tram from Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne car number 496 arrives at the E&F Lines terminal. This double-ended car will proceed to the Caltrain station on the Embarcadero on the E line. Sitting up front gives one a great motorman's eye view. On this portion of the E-line we mix with Muni Metro LRVs just coming out of the subway. At the Caltrain station we leave 496 to reverse ends and return to the wharf. More streetcar videos to come. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.